Hi, I'm Angela with Freestyle Fashionista, and today I'm going to show you how to cut and tie the side of your t-shirt. The three things you're going to need is a t-shirt, and you want a t-shirt that comes down to your lower hip, so it allows you some space to cut and tie the side of the shirt. You're going to need a pair of fabric scissors, and you only need one stick pin, so some stick pins. Okay, what you want to do is you want to measure the shirt. I like to cut my shirt and tie it right above the belt loop. That way if you're wearing a cold belt, you can still show the belt and also wear the t-shirt. So I'm gonna stick a stick pin right at the top of the belt loops. And then you wanna take your fabric scissors. There's a side seam, so you just wanna cut right on the side seam, all the way up to your stick pin. Obviously you can choose how high or low you want the slit to go. This is just a suggestion of what I like to do. Okay, so now you have it cut. You could take your stick pin out. And then if you were ever a Girl Scout like me, the best knot to do is a square knot. So you want to do right over left, and then left over right. And that allows you to play with the knot a little bit, and it lays super flat. Alrighty, that is today's look. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Angela. Have a great day.